Well, it looks like we've got some storms coming in here to Pew Farms. About 7:30 on the 23rd of June. Got we got Copper here and Cookie. And we got Macy getting milked. She just about done. But yeah, the dogs kind of like to pick at the corn and then the alfalfa pellets. Whatever she slobbers out. Copper, he's just here for company. And Sassy's out there too. Anyway, looks like we might get a little bit of rain. So, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel at Pew Farms, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a good one.